Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. Okay, so in this video, I would like to share on how to do mock test 2 questions. So let's get started with the first question. Okay, now which of the following is a linear equation? Okay, so for this one, we want equation. Alam mana pen? Okay, equation means ada equal sign. Okay, linear means the highest power is 1. For example, x power 1, y power 1 and so on. Okay, so A and D reject earlier already. Tak payah tengok pun dah tahu because no equal sign. Okay, so it's up to B and C as the answer. Okay, now let's have a look at B. We have 6z, so it means power 1 lah over here, plus 4x power of 1 equals 7y power 1. Okay, so this one is the answer. Okay, this one is not the answer because even though x and y are power 1, they are multiplied to each other. So when two variable multiply with each other, it is not linear. So this one also not answer. Okay, now let's go to the next one. This one very easy lah. So first thing first, we get rid of over 4 down there. So we have 5 to x plus 6 equals multiply. So dapat 40x. This one we expand, we have 10x plus 30. 40x. So the 10 here, we group them together. We have 30x equals 30. So x equals 1. So B is the answer. Okay. Next question. Find the values of U and Z. Okay, actually bukan U and Z. This actually is X and Y. Typo sikit. Little typo. Okay, but still can answer lah, still can solve lah. Okay, so the first equation we can rewrite as x equals y. The second one we rewrite over here as x equals minus y plus 1. Like that. Now what to do? Okay, easy. X equals y, we can substitute over here. Okay, so we have y. Y equals minus y plus 1. And then we group the y's to get 2y equals 1. Y equals 1 over 2. Now, y equals 1 over 2. X equals y. Therefore, x also 1 over 2. So the answer is B. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. Okay. Now, what are the solutions for quadratic equation 18x squared equals 3x plus 6? Okay, I show you there's a calculator on the right hand side of our screen to show you on how to use EQN lah. Actually, most of you tahu dah, tapi tak apa. I show juga. So, we have 18x squared. Okay, first thing first, you have to bring them on one side like this. Jangan dekat sini baru kau sibuk nak cari dia punya A, B and C. For sure salah. And then from here we know this is the A, this is the B and this is the C. Okay, so pergi dekat menu, we go find equation. And then simultaneous bukan, we want polynomial degree 2 and then we get the function. Key in 18 minus 3 and minus 6. Okay, let's see what is the final answer. So we get x equals 2 over 3 and the other one is x equals minus half. Okay, so which one? Ni bukanlah. This one A. So the answer is A. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, let's go to the next question. Okay, this one tak payah pakai calculator. Jangan ingat semua benda nak pakai calculator. No need. Equation 8x squared plus 4kx plus 12 equals 0 has two equal roots. Okay, this one kena ni. Find the values of k. Find the values of k. So, when we have been provided the information, this information, two equal roots, it means the discriminant discriminant ke determinant, I forgot the term. Okay, pembeza layan. Okay, discriminant lah. Okay, so b squared minus 4ac. You know the formula tapi nama tu ingat lupa. And then kita just ganti. Now, what b is? B is 4k. So, 4k square. This one, tak nak. Salah. Tak cantik. Nak equal 0. Two equal roots means b squared minus 4ac equals 0. Ganti kat bawah ni. Okay. So 4k squared. So 4k squared minus 4ac. What a is? A is 8. Put 8 over here. And c is 12. C is 12. Okay. Equal 0. Okay. So 4k squared. 16k squared lah. Okay, this 4, 8 and 12 ni dia ada negatif depan ni, but I'm going to bring it over right hand side, so the value is positive. So what we do in the calculator, just multiply 4 by 8 by 12 to get 384. Clearly from here we can get k square by we can solve further by dividing 384 by 16 to get 24. So k is equals plus minus square root of 24. Okay, so square root 24 is 2 square root 6. Okay, so plus minus 2 square root 6. Jangan gabung pula. Choose this one. Salah. The answer is D. This one salah lah. Because we expect two values. We expect two values. Kalau you choose A or B, so you wrong already. Okay. Determine the type of roots. This one use the same formula from the previous one. Okay. So we need to find the value of b squared minus 4ac. B squared minus 4ac. Okay. So b squared minus 4ac. Okay. Okay. Now what b? B is alamak. Okay. This one tak berapa ni juga. Kita rewrite it better. 35x square plus 5x minus 5 equals 0. Minus 5 equals 0. Tapi kalau ikutkan tak payahlah. Boleh simplify ni. We can divide everything by 5 to get 7x squared plus x minus 1. Minus 1 equals 0. So can simplify, we simplify easy. Now b is apa ni? 1. B is 1. And then a is 4a is 7. Put 7 over here. And then c is minus 1. So minus 1. Okay, so this one 1 minus 4 minus 7 is 28. 28 minus 1 is positive 28. So it's 29 greater than 0. Therefore, two distinct real root. The answer is C. Okay, next. Which of the following are quadratic form? Quadratic form means the highest power of variable is 2, just like this one. So the first one is quadratic form. The second one also quadratic form. The third one is not, however, because we have square root over here. So 3 tak nak. So the only answer for this one is A, 1 and 2. Okay, next question. Alamak, panjang pula. Okay. Express the equation 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 equals 0 in the form of x minus h squared plus k. Actually, this one suruh buat CTS. CTS, completing the square. Okay. Now, as you can see over here, walaupun dia sama dengan 0, we have 3 in front of the bracket. So, you have to factorize the 3 outside. Jangan bahagikan semua dengan 3. Otherwise, you cannot see the correct final answer. So 3, take it out. So what's left? We have x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So 3, put back, and then big box minus small box plus C. This one muat ke tak ni? Tak apa. Okay, so big box have x plus b over 2. So this one divide by 2. B ni kita kerat 2. So minus 1 over here, minus 1 over here. So we total them up, kita dapat balik b up there. Okay, so 3 outside, this one x minus 1, do not do anything. So minus 1 squared is 1, tetapi ada negatif kat luar. So minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Okay, so we put back the 3 outside. 3x minus 1 squared minus 12. So this is the answer. Which one is this? Not this one, not this one, not this one, this one. So the answer is A. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, the quadratic equation 3x squared minus 5 equals 14x can be factorized as. Okay, we have to bear in mind factorize mean mesti dalam bentuk faktor. You use your EQN over here. Okay, I tell you. Okay, I show you. Jangan risau. A. Tak apalah. Ini. Okay, equation. Okay, you say polynomial degree 2. Okay, you put. Tapi tulis dulu. 3x squared minus 14x minus 5 equals 0. Better. Okay, 3 minus 14 minus 5. Okay, so you get the answer is x equals 5. Okay, x equals 5. X equals minus 1 over 3. Okay, now, so, tapi tak ada dalam ni sebab dia nak dalam bentuk kurungan. So, you reverse engineer. Okay, you reverse engineer means, okay, sepatutnya there's a working over here. But you didn't do that. So, what you do this. Okay, dia lah. Tadi 5 and the x equals minus 1 over 3. So what you do is you just put back the 5 and the minus 1 over 3 over left hand side. So you get x minus 5. Yeah. Multiply x plus 1 over 3. Equals 0. And then multiply, get lah this one. Okay. Now. Okay. Now. But as you can see over here, if we multiply x dengan x kat sini, kita tak dapat 3x squared. So, this answer, mana tadi? This one. This one, right? You will choose this one kalau you use EQN. This is not the answer. Because why? Kalau kata factorize, we multiply this one back, kita mesti dapat benda ni. But, hakikatnya, okay, for example, this one. You see, minus 5 multiply 1 over 3, kita tak dapat. Kita dapat minus 5 over 3. Tak ada minus 5 over 3 over here. So, that is the wrong answer. Okay, so this is wrong answer. This one clearly wrong lah. This one also clearly wrong. So, the only answer that we can accept is this one. Jangan ingat pakai EQN je, kita boleh dapat. So, the answer is that one lah. Okay, next. Find the values of P and Q for the following long division. Okay, so in this case, we have to do this part only lah. Sekejap. Need only to do this part. Tak payah buat balik semua. So, we are going to take only the first two terms. Plus 3x squared divides x minus 3. Okay, let's see. Okay, so to get rid 2x cubed, we have to multiply by 2x squared. Okay, so multiply by x, kita dapat 2x cubed. Multiply by minus 3, we get minus 6x squared. Okay, so minus 0, minus we have 9x squared. Okay, now 9x squared. Okay. We need Q, right? Okay, we need Q, so we have to figure out this one as well. Okay, so getting rid 9x squared, how? Okay, tapi kita dah ada x kat sini, so just multiply by positive 9x. So 9x multiply by x, we have 9x squared. Okay, so done lah. Done already. So this is our Q and this is our P. Betul ke tak betul? Betul. So, P is minus 6. P is minus 6. So, these two answer. Okay, Q is 9. So, this is the answer. This one lah. So, our answer is C. Okay. Now, next question. Okay, if one of the factor of px equals blah blah blah, panjang ni ha. Okay, minus 24 something minus 24 is x plus 1. So x plus 1 is one of the factor for this one. Okay. Find all the roots. Okay, now this one kalau kamu tengok, you will expect apa kat sini? You will expect cubic. Okay, tapi by using your calculator, okay, you can find the answer faster. Okay, by using the function calculate function in the Casio ataupun calculator ni lah. Okay, but first thing first, what you have to do is you key in exactly what you see over here. No need to expand lah, nak kira panjang-panjang, no need. Okay, so we are going to copy paste whatever we see down over there. So open bracket, x, mana x? Okay, x itu tekan alpha and then tekan kurungan kiri kanan tu. So x minus 1, okay, close bracket, okay, open bracket, alpha kurungan squared x squared minus x minus 14. And then close bracket. We still have minus 24 at the back. Okay, so this is the equation over here. Okay, now what we have to do? Mesti kamu tak faham ni, kan? Okay, find all the roots of px equals 0. Bila dia kata find all the roots, and this is one of the root, it means that if x plus 1 is one of the factors, is factor for px, then p negative 1 equals 0. Tak percaya, kita tekan button calculate over here. Dia calculator ask you x tu berapa, you key in minus 1. Where to get minus 1? Factor x plus 1, then 0 is minus 1. Okay, so minus 1. Okay, kita tengok sama dengan apa? Sama dengan 0. You see down over there, 0. The answer is 0 kan? So dia adalah factor. That's why the question tell us clue already. Factor adalah itu. So how about the rest? Kita nampak the number over here kan? Just gantilah. Okay, cuba kamu tengok sini. Minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. We want to verify whether minus 5 is the 0 for the polynomial. So what to do? Key in sahaja. Tekan calculate lagi sekali. And then key in minus 5. 0 tak? Minus 120. So this is not the 0. So A is not the 0. This is not... minus 5 is not the 0. So A is not the answer, B is not the answer, D is not the answer. So the answer clearly C. Tapi kalau we want to semak juga, no problem. Calculate minus 2. Okay, kita tengok. Answer 0. Okay, kita ganti lagi. Calculate, minus 1 tadi dah ganti, so no need. Ganti 5. 0 as well. Alhamdulillah. So, that's the faster way to solve this question. Tak perlu kamu nak expand all that, nak factorize lagi buat divide. Apalah tadi? Long division. No need. No need. Okay, next. Given that x equals 1, x equals 2, and x equals 3 are roots for fx when fx equals 0. Identify the possible fx. Okay. Now, are the roots for fx? All three are the roots. So, what are the factors? Senang aja patah balik macam kamu buat cari factorize tu. X minus 1 is the factor, multiply x minus 2 is the factor, multiply x minus 3 is the factor. So all these three equals to fx. Px pula. Okay, fx. Okay, and also fx when fx equals to 0. Okay, so kita boleh samakan dengan 0 over here. Identify the possible value. Kenapa possible? We can see the variety of form. Because since equal 0, we can do anything that we want. Okay. For example, this one is the answer lah. For example, the second one. If you look at the first bracket over here, 1 minus x. How to get this one? Easy. We multiply the first factor by -1. Depan ni je. Okay, multiply by -1, kita akan dapat 1 minus x. So, the other two tak kacau. Dia masih lagi benda itu. Also, sama dengan kosong. We take the factor also, we get the answer. So, this one is one of the answer as well. Okay, how about this one? X minus 1, okay, tak ubah apa-apa. 2x minus 4. 2x minus 4. We just multiply by a constant. Multiply by a constant. This one multiply by a constant, dia akan jadi 2. Multiply by 2. 2x minus 4. And then x minus 3. And then x minus 1. Equal 0. This one also is the possible form for fx. Dapatlah jawapan D. So the answer is D. Okay, next. Solve the equation. X minus 3. 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. Sudah. Oh, senang je. Okay. Solve the equation. Solve the equation, kita solve sahaja. Jangan pening-pening, jangan kau pergi gatal pergi expand. Kau expand lagi kau cari menahas. Sebab dia dah bagi discount over there. So, 3x squared plus 6x plus 3. So, what to do? Factorize 3 outside. We get x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, equal 0 adalah. Okay, this one, x squared plus 2x plus 1 is just x plus 1 squared. Okay, x minus 3. So what is the solution? So x minus 3 equals 0, x equals 3, x plus 1 equals 0, x minus 1. So 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1. So the answer is A. This is not, this is not, this is not. Okay. Even though x plus 1 ni ada 2 kurungan, tapi when we equal to 0, we just get one value of x. Okay, next. Which of the following is a cubic equation? Okay, jangan tertipu kat sini saja je bagi panik. Over here, it's what? It's a ln e x to the power of x squared. Okay, x squared can bring in front. So, x squared ln e. Ln e equals to 1. So, over there is x squared. So, over here, x squared ada x tolak 1. We expect kita dapat cubic. Kita dapat cubic. So, this is the answer. B is not the answer because this bracket kita expect kita akan dapat cubic. Quadratic, sorry. This one, x minus 3 is just kuasa 1. So, you bring it over to the left pun, you still get quadratic function. Same goes to this one. Okay, left hand side you expand, the best you can get is quadratic. And then you bring 2x over there also, still it is a quadratic. Over here terang-terang quadratic. So the answer is A. Okay, now find the other factor for this one, given x is one of the factor. Okay, this one dia dah bagi x, tak payah bagi pun, jawapan tu kita dah boleh teka dah. Sebab every term ada x, so we can factorize x out of them. Okay, so 42, 8 and 2. Okay, mungkin boleh keluarkan 2x lah, I suppose. So, what's left is 21 minus apa ni? Bagi 2, 4x squared. Mana ada dah keluarkan tadi x. Aduh. Okay, minus x squared. So, this one, yes. Okay, so this one careful the x squared ada negatif. Jangan main pakai EQN dengan kalkulator, for sure salah. For sure salah, terang-terang cakap. Okay, so how to get this one? So maybe we can do the butterfly method. 21, how to get 21? 21 is 7 by 3. And x, we get x squared. Okay, tapi we want minus x and then we want minus 4. Minus 4. Okay, so this one lah. This one we get minus x squared. This one we get 21. Okay, we cross multiply, we get minus 7x. We cross multiply over here, 3x. So we sum these two, we get minus 4x, which is the middle term over here. So the factorization is these two bracket. So 7 plus x, 3 minus x. Okay, so this one, which one? Find the other factor. When other factor, it needs to be this form. It needs to be that form. So 7 plus x, this one lah. not this one, this one, this one. Okay, 3 minus x, this one. So this is the answer. This is not the answer x minus 3. Kamu akan pilih B jika kamu guna EQN dekat kalkulator. Ni, mungkin kamu pilih D juga. Okay, because you use EQN in the calculator, you get this answer, which is very wrong. Which is very wrong. Okay, next question. Function f is given by this one, f inverse. Okay, senang saja. We let f put f inverse inside equals to x. So what is our f over here? This one. Okay, so ni, this one yang luar ni kita ganti pakai warna hitam lah. Pakai warna hitam. So this one I use blue color. F inverse. Okay, now what f is? F is 7 plus 5x. X change into empty bracket over 3 equals x. What's inside? What inside the x now? F inverse. So that is our flower in the vase. Flower in the vase. Okay, now, so how to get f inverse? F inverse is 3x. We bring it 3 over and then minus 7 over 5. So the answer is D. The answer is D. Okay, next. Okay, state the range of fx equals 5 minus 6x. Where? We have restricted domain over here. So what to do? We substitute the least value over here inside this one. So f minus 2. Minus 2f pula. F minus 2. Sorry. So 5 minus 6 minus 2. Okay, we get 17. Okay. And then, okay, betul lah tu. Okay, next, we ganti 1 pula. Okay, F1 equals 5 minus 6, 1 minus 1. Okay, so as we can see over here, the least value is minus 1. The greatest value is 17. The only answer is B. Ini bukan, ini pun bukan. Okay, to check further, easy. Okay, we look when we substitute minus 2, dia adalah not equal. Not equal means 17 open bracket. Minus 1 pula, when we ganti 1, the symbol over here is less than equal, so minus 1 include. So see, same with the answer that we chose. Okay, next. Two function f and g defined as fx and gx over there. Find fg3. Fg3. Okay, don't worry so much. F is blue color, G is red color. We find Fg3. Okay, what to do? Fg3 equals F is the blue one. Okay, and then inside G is the red one. Okay, and then what is the content? The content is 3. Okay, so we do inside first. We do inside first. Jangan pening-pening. Maybe that one kena pakai ni kot. Okay. What gx? Gx is x squared. G empty. G3 is just empty bracket square. What is the content? What is the inside? The inside is 3. Okay, so we have over there 9. Now f. What f is? F is tak apa, buat ni dulu. Okay, F is apa? 5 plus bracket. Now, what is the inside now? The inside now is 9. Okay, therefore the answer is 14B. Not this one, not this one, not this one. Okay, next. Which of the following statement are true? We want the true statement about figure 1. Okay. We have function macam linear function over here, tapi the restricted domain. It starts at 3, 9. So what is the look at the first statement? F is one-to-one function. Okay, how to know one-to-one function? Easy. We do the horizontal line test. Horizontal line test. It intercept at 1 point, so correct. It's 1-to-1. So when it is 1-to-1, automatic F has inverse. This one also correct. Okay. Range of F is 3 infinity. Betul ke tak? Let's have a look. Okay. Range are the values of y's that kena to the function F. So the function, we can use this line. Kita tengok it starts from the value of 9, y equals 9, until infinity. So wrong lah. So the answer is B, 1 and 3. Okay, next. Okay, given gx equals 5 minus x over 2, find g squared. G squared ni bukannya g tu kamu square, ini kamu square. Good luck lah. Kau square macam tu memang good luck, cerah masa depan kau. It means g inside has another g. This one. Okay, so we do the inside first. What gx is 5 minus x over 2. Okay, so for the sake of nak senang simplify, kita gabung everything. So 5 minus x over 2 is 10 minus x over 2. Like this. Okay, and then we go further, ganti the outside function, which is 5 minus x over 2. The x now is empty bracket. What is the content of the empty bracket now? Is this one, 10 minus x over 2. 10 minus x over 2. Okay, you see a fraction inside the bracket, have another further fraction over there. So dia adalah 5 minus 10 minus x over 4. Okay, this one kita kena campur juga. So 5 tu we change to 20 over 4. Initially 5 over 1. So multiply by 4, we get 20 over 4. Okay, so we simplify everything. We get 20 minus 10 is 10 minus ni multiply minus x, we get plus x over 4. So this is the answer. Okay. Some of you might made a mistake lah by choosing C. Might. Okay, next. Which relation is not a function? The one yang not a function is 1 to many. So we look for the 1 to many. A 1 to 1 because minus 5, 9, each number has their own pair. So this is 1 to 1. 1 to 1. C is many to 1. Many to 1. Okay. This one also 1 to 1. Even though some of them tak ada arrow. Tapi it's 1 to 1 still. But B, we have 1 to many. For example, 3 over here has 3 and minus 1 as the image. Okay. Bukan ni. So, this one bukan function. So, the answer is B. The answer is B. Tak padam sampai sudah. Okay. Next. State the domain in range for the function fx equals square root of x plus 4. Okay, so for this one, we have to write the full version, the full form for this one. What is the full form? Fx equals square root of x plus 4 plus 0. Okay, now, this one easy to do. I think easy to do the domain and range by sketching. So we sketch it first. Okay, how to sketch? Okay, this one set function macam kita warna bulu mata like this. We have to know whether the function is going up or going down. Okay, so the function is going up. This one up. Why? Because it's a positive value. Positive value is going up. So up and then right or left. Look at the value of in front of x. It's a positive, so it's going to the right. So up, then go to right. Add. Add what? Add a starting point. We have to find the starting point. Where to get the starting point? Okay. X plus 4 equals to 0. We get x equals minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. And then y where to get? Photo state this one. Okay, so we have minus 4, 0. Just sketch up, right, up, right like this. Up, right like that lah. Okay, so minus 4, minus 4. Minus 4 over here, 0 over here. So this is the point going up to the right. So what is the range? The range is the value of x yang kena the function. Okay, so it starts kena at minus 4. sampai negative infinity. Minus 4 sampai infinity always open. Minus 4 is include. Now, what is the range? This is the domain. Okay, what is the range? Range are the value of y yang kena the function. The function first kena dekat sini. Sini ni mana ni? Sini ni y equals 0. Until atas over here. Going upwards infinity. So, 0 infinity open include. So, which one is which? So, domain this one. Okay, this not the answer, not the answer. Might be the answer. Okay, this one. This one. This one not the answer. So, the answer is D. The answer is D. Okay, which of the following function fx has no inverse? No inverse. Okay, let's have a look. This one pun sama tak? Saja je ni dia trick kita. Ln e x squared equals to x squared. So, sebenarnya fx adalah x squared. But we have x squared restricted column as x greater 0. So, asalnya macam ni. This is x squared. Okay, and then dia ada x greater 0. So, less than 0 tutup. So, this function has been cut into half. So, this function kalau kita buat horizontal line test, kita akan pass. Bila pass, dia ada inverse. So, this one ada inverse. 3x squared, however, tak ada inverse. Because 3x squared is this curve. When we do horizontal line test, we have two intersect. Two point in intersection between y equals k with the function of 3x squared. Jadi dia tak ada inverse. Okay, this one square root always ada inverse. Okay, so the answer is 1 and 3. Okay, next, which one of the following statements are false? This one careful dia nak yang false, dia bukan nak yang true. So jangan tertipu. Okay, the first one is domain of f equals the range of f inverse. This is true. True. Okay, next, domain of f is equals to domain of f inverse. False. Okay, f is an inverse if of g if f g gf equals to ln ex. Ln ex ni sebenarnya adalah ln e power of x adalah x. So sebenarnya dia adalah x. Jadi ini adalah true. So the one that we are looking for is 2. 2 is the only false statement from these three. So the answer is A. The answer is A. Okay, so next, dah habis. Dah habis. Okay, so that's all for mock test 2. Okay, so all the best for you to understand the question. Hopefully this video is beneficial for you. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.